The Winchester Mystery House, a sprawling mansion, full of twists and turns, a place where logic is lost, and fear takes hold. This is no ordinary house. It is a monument to tragedy, a testament to obsession, and a beacon for the paranormal. Sarah Winchester, heiress to the Winchester rifle fortune, was a woman consumed by grief. Tragedy struck early, taking her infant daughter. This loss was a devastating blow, leaving Sarah heartbroken and desolate. She and her husband, William Wirt Winchester, shared a deep bond, and together they tried to navigate the storm of sorrow that had engulfed their lives. But the shadows of grief loomed large over their happiness. Then, years later, her beloved husband succumbed to tuberculosis, leaving Sarah utterly alone. The weight of her losses was unbearable, and she found herself adrift in a sea of despair. The once vibrant and lively woman was now a shadow of her former self, haunted by the memories of her loved ones. Lost in sorrow, Sarah sought solace in the supernatural. She turned to spiritualism, a movement that was gaining popularity in the late 19th century. It promised a connection to the afterlife, a way to communicate with those who had passed on. Desperate for answers and comfort, Sarah immersed herself in this mystical world, hoping to find some semblance of peace. Consulting a medium, she received a chilling message. The medium claimed to have contacted William, who warned Sarah that the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles were seeking revenge. These restless souls, angered by the destruction caused by the very weapons that had made her family wealthy, were now tormenting her. The spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles sought revenge. They were relentless, and their presence was a constant reminder of the bloodshed linked to the Winchester name. Sarah was told that the only way to appease these vengeful spirits was to build a house, a sanctuary for them, and to never stop building. If construction ceased, the spirits would return with a vengeance. The only way to appease them? Build, build, build. And so, Sarah Winchester embarked on an extraordinary project. She purchased an 8-room farmhouse in San Jose, California, and began an endless construction process that would last 38 years. The house grew into a sprawling mansion with staircases leading to nowhere, doors opening into walls, and countless rooms. It was a labyrinthine structure designed to confuse and trap the spirits, ensuring they could never find her. This became her life's work, a testament to her grief, guilt, and unyielding determination to find peace. Driven by fear and guided by spirits, Sarah embarked on a relentless construction project. For 38 years, the Winchester mansion grew, without any blueprints or plans. The result? A bizarre architectural puzzle. Staircases lead to nowhere. Doors open to walls, windows overlook other rooms. Was this madness, or a desperate attempt to confuse vengeful spirits? The unseen residents' ghosts of the Winchester house. Over the years, the Winchester Mystery House has become a hotbed of paranormal activity. Visitors and staff report strange occurrences, cold spots, unexplained noises, and fleeting glimpses of shadowy figures. Is Sarah Winchester still present, trapped within her own labyrinth? Whispers in the dark tales from the servants' quarters. Many stories originate from the servants' quarters. Some claim to have seen the ghost of a workman still toiling away. Others whisper of a ghostly child forever playing in the halls. One chilling tale speaks of a phantom hand, reaching out from a secret passage, its touch icy cold. Seeking answers in the shadows. Paranormal investigations. In the dead of night, when the world is asleep, a different kind of activity stirs. Paranormal investigators venture into the unknown, driven by curiosity and a desire to uncover the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. Countless paranormal investigators have been drawn to the Winchester Mystery House. This sprawling mansion, with its labyrinthine hallways and staircases that lead to nowhere, has long been a focal point for those seeking to connect with the other side. The house's history is steeped in tragedy and mystery, making it a prime location for ghost hunters. Hoping to unravel its secrets, these investigators meticulously set up their equipment. They discuss strategies, share stories of past encounters, and prepare for a night of potential discoveries. Each creak of the floorboards, each whisper of the wind, is analyzed for signs of the supernatural. They come armed with EMF readers, EVP recorders, and infrared cameras. These tools are essential for detecting anomalies that might indicate a ghostly presence. EMF readers measure electromagnetic fields, which some believe are affected by spirits. EVP recorders capture electronic voice phenomena, mysterious sounds that are often interpreted as voices from beyond. Infrared cameras can detect heat signatures, revealing shapes and movements invisible to the naked eye. Some claim to have captured evidence of the supernatural, voices from beyond, shadows moving independently, and unexplained energy fluctuations are just a few of the phenomena reported. These experiences are often accompanied by a sense of unease, as if the investigators are not alone in the room. Is this proof of the afterlife? The evidence is often ambiguous, leaving room for skepticism. Some investigators remain doubtful, questioning the validity of their findings. They review footage, analyze data, and debate the possible explanations for the strange occurrences they have witnessed. Or simply the tricks of a restless house. The line between reality and imagination can blur in these old, creaky buildings. As the night progresses, the investigators continue their search, driven by the hope that they might finally uncover the truth behind the paranormal phenomena that have fascinated humanity for centuries. An enduring enigma, the Winchester Mystery House today. This architectural marvel, with its sprawling layout and mysterious design, continues to captivate the imagination of visitors from all over the globe. Built by Sarah Winchester, the widow of the famous gun magnate, this house is a labyrinth of rooms, staircases, and corridors that seem to lead nowhere. The Winchester Mystery House remains an enigma. Its construction began in 1884 and continued non-stop until Sarah Winchester's death in 1922. The house boasts over 160 rooms, 10,000 windows, and 2,000 doors, many of which open into walls or drop off to the outside, a place where fact blurs with folklore. Legend has it that Sarah Winchester believed she was haunted by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles. To appease these spirits, she continuously built and rebuilt her home, creating a maze of architectural oddities. Was Sarah Winchester truly haunted, or was she simply a grieving widow, seeking solace in an eccentric project that gave her life purpose and direction after the loss of her husband and child? Or was she a grieving widow seeking solace in an eccentric project? The continuous construction was not just a means to ward off spirits, but perhaps a way for Sarah to cope with her immense grief and loneliness. Whatever the truth may be, the house continues to fascinate. Today, it stands as a testament to Sarah Winchester's unique vision and determination. The house is filled with architectural marvels, including a staircase that leads to the ceiling and doors that open into walls, drawing visitors from around the world. People come to marvel at its oddities, to feel the eerie atmosphere, and to ponder the mysteries that still surround Sarah Winchester and her enigmatic home, eager to experience its mysteries firsthand. The Winchester Mystery House is not just a historical landmark, it is a living, breathing enigma that continues to inspire curiosity and wonder in all who visit.